Hello and welcome to another series of GCSE Geography help videos. I hope you liked the last one. So this time we're going to look at population change. It's a very interesting series to do, so that's why I chose it for our second series. So without any further ado, what I've done this time with our mind map, it's going to be a mind map of what we're going to look at in each video rather than what we looked at in the previous video. So in this video we're going to look at natural resources, population density, and key words involved with where do people live and why. So here are the key words. So they might look similar but they make sense, I promise you. So we've got overpopulation, which as the name suggests is when too many people live in an area for the resources available to support. I would say an example, but I can't think of one. Underpopulation is the complete opposite, when the population is too small to make the best use of the resources. These are normally rich countries because they can export all of the waste, in inverted commas, resources they don't need. And then optimum population is the perfect balance between the number of people and the resources available. So ideally that's where you want to be. So population density, another thing we're going to look at. So population density, you want to write this down, stick it somewhere. It's relatively straightforward, but you do need to know what it is. And the only bit of maths I promise you in the whole of geography. Number of people in the area, so the total population over the area in kilometers squared is population density. It tells you how many people are living in this area compared to this area. So places with a low population density, so like deserts, empty places, are referred to as sparsely populated. And then areas with high population density, like cities, urban areas, are referred to as densely populated. So this is a map that's not very detailed, but it shows you roughly the areas of the red being lots of population density, so you can see southeast of England, you can see Europe, you can see parts of the east coast of China, ignore that, and India have got loads and loads of red and solid over 100 population density. And then under 1, you won't be able to see it on the key, is the white areas, so sub-Saharan Africa, the Amazon, the North Alaska and Canada and Russia and the desert, I've forgotten the name of it, in the middle of Australia. So, natural resources. Now these places with lots of natural resources often have high population densities, as you can imagine. This map doesn't show everything, but it gives you a good idea. There's lots in America, there's lots in Brazil, there's lots in China, obviously there's some in Africa and Europe, you just can't really see it very well. So yeah, you can get maps or two maps next to each other that show the resources of the world and the population density, and you'll notice lots of resources equals lots of population. So this week we've looked at keywords, population density and natural resources. Next week we're looking at push and pull factors, urbanisation and counter-urbanisation. So see you then. Farewell.